Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Go. Go.
I go to the park every evening. I go to the park every evening. Eat. Eat. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. Drinks. Drinks. She drinks juice in the morning. She drinks juice in the morning. Read. Read. I read a book before going to bed. I read a book before going to bed. Write. Write. I write my name on the paper. I write my name on the paper. Play. Play. The kids play football in the park. The kids play football in the park. Runs. Runs. He runs every morning for exercise. He runs every morning for exercise. Walk. Walk. I walk to school with my friends. I walk to school with my friends. Jumps. Jumps. She jumps over the rope in the game. She jumps over the rope in the game. See. See. I see birds flying in the sky. I see birds flying in the sky. Like. Like. I like to watch cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. Love. Love. They love their new puppy. They love their new puppy. Studies. Studies. She studies English every day. She studies English every day. Sleeps. Sleeps. He sleeps early to wake up fresh. He sleeps early to wake up fresh. Works. Works. My father works in an office. My father works in an office. Watch. Watch. I watch TV after school. I watch TV after school. Talk. Talk. We talk to our friends at school. We talk to our friends at school. Buy. Buy. I buy fruits from the market. I buy fruits from the market. Calls. Calls. He calls his best friend every evening. He calls his best friend every evening. Open. Open. Please open the door for me. Please open the door for me. Closes. Closes. She closes the window when it rains. She closes the window when it rains. Finds. Finds. He finds a coin on the ground. He finds a coin on the ground. Gives. Gives. He gives me a beautiful gift. He gives me a beautiful gift. Takes. Takes. She takes her dog for a walk. She takes her dog for a walk. Dance. Dance. They dance at the party with joy. They dance at the party with joy. Sing. Sing. She sings beautifully on stage. She sings beautifully on stage. smiles, smiles. She smiles when she sees her friend. She smiles when she sees her friend. Laugh, laugh. We laugh at the comedian's jokes. We laugh at the comedian's jokes. Teaches, teaches. He teaches math in the school. He teaches math in the school. Learn, learn. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. Remembers, remembers. She remembers her friend's birthday. She remembers her friend's birthday. Forget, forget. I forget my umbrella at home sometimes. I forget my umbrella at home sometimes. Visit, visit. They visit their grandparents on weekends. They visit their grandparents on weekends. Ask, ask. I'll ask my teacher a question in class. I'll ask my teacher a question in class. Answers, answers. He answers the phone quickly. He answers the phone quickly. Cooks, cooks. My mom cooks delicious food. My mom cooks delicious food. Clean, clean. I clean my room every weekend. I clean my room every weekend. Cuts, cuts. She cuts the paper with scissors. She cuts the paper with scissors. Drives, drives. He drives a red car to work. He drives a red car to work. Make, make. I make a sandwich for lunch. I make a sandwich for lunch.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.